We deeply express our greetings and welcome you to the most awaited orientation of Google Developer Student Club IGDTUW with great joy and immense exultation. You must have heard that it's not the team with the best player that wins, it's the player with the best team. Well, that is the truth. On this note, let's have a look at our flag bearers, the leads of GDSC IGDTUW. First up, we have the GDSC lead Akshita Jha. Next, we have our technical lead Radhika Bansal. Further, we have the management lead Jagriti Verma. Then comes our event lead Akansha Mishra. Next is our outreach lead Ashvi Guleria. Furthermore, we have the media lead Adya Kumar. And last but not the least, we have open source lead Nitya Pasrija. Talking about GDSC, the Google Developer Student Club is a community for the university and college students interested in Google Developer technologies. This platform allows the students to grow their knowledge in a peer to peer learning environment and build solutions for local businesses and their community. So, Google Developer Student Club is a group of developers that is supported by Google through Google Technologies who work on projects that affect us regionally. Last year, we worked on a number of projects solving local problems that at the end of the year gets a matter to the Google Solution Challenge, which is a global event in which you will get to showcase your work and get mentorship from people directly at Google. Throughout the year, GDSC Club has organized many events including various sessions, study jams, workshops, and Google technologies like Kotlin, Flutter, and Google Cloud. Aside from that, we also offer mentorship circle where you will not only make projects on these technologies, but first you will be mentored to learn these tech stacks, making a few small projects to enhance your resume and at the end of the year make a very big project. All this is backed up and supported by Google. And to have Google in your resume right from the college is a huge deal. And that is what GDSC is all about. Coming up to our mentorship circles, we have 8 new creative ones for you. The first one is competitive programming. The second one is AI/ML, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning. The third one is augmented reality and virtual reality, that is AR/VR. The fourth one is DSA Foundation, that is data structures and algorithm. The fifth one is interview preparation. The sixth one is mobile app development. The seventh one is UI UX design. And the last but not the least is web development. All are really, really exciting. So let's get into what each of these are all about and what you will be getting out of them. Firstly, we have the AIML Circle with the circle manager Tejasvi Tyagi and mentors Advitaka Thakur, Shreya, Anushka Singh, Sripriya Agarwal, Ananya Taneja, and Trisha Tomi. What exactly is artificial intelligence is the first question that comes in our mind. So, before that, let's see what intelligence in itself is. We humans see, understand, and speak because we are intelligent, and thus we try to perceive a lot of things around us in the environment. In this process, we understand things and try to form conclusions based on what we understand. And these three abilities to see, understand, and speak make humans intelligent. Now, shifting this concept onto machines. We have three major subdomains: machine learning, computer vision, and NLP, that is, natural language processing. And we will be covering these domains in this cohort. During the classes, we will be explaining the various concepts along with the hands on sessions because at GDSC, we believe that things and concepts are better understood through practicals. We will be sharing various resources, assignments, and opportunities. Our mentors will guide you through everything. We will be having minor and major projects which will definitely enhance your resume and give you a better understanding of this field. As businesses and other organizations undergo digital transformation, they are faced with a tsunami of data that needs to be managed. This is where artificial intelligence and machine learning come in. So, specific practical applications of AI include modern web search engines, personal assistants, specific programs that understand spoken language, self driving vehicles, and recommendation engines such as those used by Spotify and Netflix. Next up comes the AR VR circle, that is artificial that is augmented reality or virtual reality, managed by Raima Sharma with mentor Anshika Goyal, Radhika Gupta, and Ayushi Dubey. Augmented reality overlays the digital content and information onto the physical world as if they are actually there with you in your own space. Instagram and Snapchat filters are something we all use on daily basis. That's AR. Now, let's move on to VR, that is virtual reality. It's a computer generated environment with scenes and objects that appear to be real, making the user feel as they are immersed in their surroundings. There might be some of you who have experienced the VR headset. If not, then don't worry. Let me tell you what happens. When you wear the VR headset, you are suddenly in a completely different virtual world. You are physically here, but through your eyes, you are in a world of Mario. You have been projected onto the virtual world. That's VR. The projects we will be making in this cohort are the Unity games and the AR apps. In the starting, we'll be making some fun Unity games like rolling a ball, etc. Furthermore, we will be making some cool filters for your Instagram or Snapchat pages. The DSA Foundation Circle, that is Data Structures and Algorithm, with Circle Manager Karishma Jain and mentors Sona Vashne, Prachi Sinha, and Sumiran Verma. DSA or Data Structures and Algorithms. I'm sure most of you might have heard it. Enough time buys now. If you haven't yet, just wait, you will. For those of you who don't know what DSA is, so let me tell you. DSA is a building block for any software development process and is a required skill for a developer because knowing how to solve a complex problem in the most efficient way will make you a great coder. Few of you must have kick-started with DSA preparation, but I'm sure you must be facing many roadblocks like lacking consistency, not finding the right resources, and trust me, we have all been through it. And this is where our circle comes into action. We will help you on track and help make your experiences less miserable. Our circle promises to teach you DSA concepts right from the basics and on a weekly basis take regular online assessments so that you can see you standing among your peers. Also, we have more perks planned like mock interviews, personalized feedback, and goodies for our mentees who are willing to step up. DSA Circle undertakes one of the highest number of mentees in every single cohort and has given out equally amazing results. Now, coming on to the interview preparation circle, which is managed by Bhumika Gupta with mentors Nikita Garg, Renuka Joshi, and Anjali Sharma. I know all of you know by now how important data structures and algorithms are for you, but no selection process is ever complete without the interview. I have heard a lot of people say, I had a really good interview and I even solved the problem, but I did not get selected. And unfortunately, no one will ever tell you what mistakes you did in your interview or why you were rejected. And that is the main cause of repetitive mistakes and repetitive rejections. But you need to understand and know your mistakes in order to prevent them in the future. And if you cannot figure it out, if you don't know what a good interview looks like, so don't worry. Our team is there who themselves have aced interviews and bagged some good opportunities. They are always here to help you out with the same. The main thing you need in an interview is communication skills because imagine yourself thinking about the solution, not speaking anything in the front of the interviewer or the recruiter is going to get bored and will start doing his own work, and then suddenly after some time when you tell him the answer the time has already gone by. So we will help you out with the presentation skills and the flow of the interview and the do's and don'ts of the technical and HR interview rounds. The interview prep circle would be helping you out with the best questions asked by some of the top companies in order to help you stand out in a crowd. Since it's very difficult for anyone to predict what the interview is going to look like, and that makes them uncomfortable even before meeting with the interviewer. We will also show you how it's done with the mock interaction between two mentors on some of the most important problems. So let us help you guys crack some of the best companies with guidance from our mentors. Now, the interesting question might come: why to join us? Well, you will get to know about a lot of things, including advanced data structures and algorithm, computer science fundamentals, resume making, and personal growth, as mentioned before.
Welcome to the Flutter Circle at GDSC IGDTUW. Join our vibrant Flutter community at GDSC and learn to build beautiful, fast, and natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop. So, who are we? We are the Flutter Circle at GDSC IGDTUW, a vibrant community of developers who love creating beautiful and functional apps using Flutter. Join us and let's build together. Learn how to develop beautiful and functional apps with Flutter. Meet other like-minded students and build your network around. Gain access to exclusive resources and opportunities through GDSC. Flutter newbies, come join our circle. We'll teach you how to build beautiful mobile apps with ease using Flutter. We look forward to building amazing apps with you. Next up, we have our UI UX design circle. UI UX design is where imagination meets innovation. Imagine you are a designer on a mission. Your task? To make your lives easier, one problem at a time. But here's the twist: you're not just solving any problems, you are tackling the big ones, the root problems. Design is all about simplifying complexity, finding ingenious solutions, and making real impact on both the local and global scale. A UI UX designer's role involves around crafting intuitive services, interfaces that empower users to effortlessly navigate and comprehend intricate technical products. If you're enthusiastic about staying ahead of the curve with cutting edge technology trends and gadgets, you'll discover immense satisfaction in actively shaping the design of the next sensation in the tech world. But that's not all. Have a look at some of our exciting projects. Join us in the exciting world of UI UX design and be a part of the innovation that's changing how we interact with technology. Next up, we have the Web Development Circle and unleashing the web wizard within you. We are extremely thrilled to invite you all to join our vibrant community of Web Development Circle, where creativity knows no bounds and innovation thrives. This cohort is designed to connect aspiring web developers with experienced mentors to accelerate their learning, enhance their skills, and foster growth in the field of web development. What can you expect in this journey from us? In-demand skills, a deep dive into the open source system, cross-platform compatibility expertise, full stack proficiency, and exciting freelance opportunities await. Some of the important and exciting tech stacks of this cohort are displayed here, and the mentors just can't wait to teach them to you all. The web development cohort will be covering three tracks: the beginner's track, intermediate track, and the advanced track, where you can hone your skills from basic to advanced in the web development domain. Join us in the web development and embark on a journey filled with endless possibilities. See you at the intersection of creativity and code. Next up, the most exciting circle, which is the competitive programming, where competitive programming coding meets competition. Competitive programming is a sport where contestants solve algorithmic problems within a time limit using a programming language of their choice. It tests problem solving skills, knowledge of algorithms, and the ability to write efficient code. This is popular among students, computer science enthusiasts, and professionals looking to improve their skills. It is also used as a means of recruitment by many companies, with many hosting their own coding competitions. The most popular competitive programming contests include Codeforces, Google Code Jam, Facebook Hacker Cup, and Top Coder Open. Join us in the world of competitive programming and sharpen your coding skills in the spirit of competition. So, are you ready to code your way to victory? Here is your way to the success. Mentorship perks. Discover incredible perks of being part of our mentorship program, structured learning, personalized mentoring, real world applications, networking opportunities, hands on workshops, career guidance, and all these await you as you embark on your journey with us. Get ready to unlock your full potential and set your career on the fast track. Why join GDSC? Getting involved with the Google developers community from college itself is what is the dream of every student. Getting access to Google learning programs like Flutter Festival, 30 days of Google Cloud, and whatnot. Going to hackathons, community meetups organized by Google itself, and much more. Exclusive mentee mentor circles to guide you through your way every opportunity. Mentee of the month, prizes, and lots of goodies await you here in this GDSC circle. Learn profile building, join the tech force holistically from the college itself. And not only learning tech stacks, but how to ideate solutions and build products. Now get ready to be inspired. We welcome Saurav, Community Manager at Amplification, a tech trailblazer and open source advocate with a rich history of speaking at PyCon Italy, PyCon Ireland, and FOSS IIT Bombay. Google Cloud Study Jam. One of a kind beginner friendly opportunity is what GDSC hosts, designed to launch your career into the dynamic world of cloud and computing. It is a 30-day intensive program to equip the participants with skills, knowledge, hands on experience required to excel in Google Cloud technologies. The program is limited to accommodate just 150 participants, but personalized and impactful learning experience awaits for each one of you. You can gain a comprehensive foundation in Google Cloud and ensure a successful and rewarding career in the rapidly evolving field of cloud computing. We are more than thrilled to open up registration for our Mentee program. To access the registration form, simply scan the QR code displayed on the screen. Please note that the deadline for registration is 24th September 2023. As we continue on this incredible journey, we invite each and every one of you to join us. Follow our social media handles and channels and participate in our events. Become an active part of our growing GDSC family. Stay tuned for our upcoming events and workshop, and let's make this year a memorable one with GDSC. Here are some of the frequently asked questions that all our mentees and participants in the clubs ask, and we have answers to all of them. Have a look at them before you go ahead. GDSC isn't just a club, it's a thriving community. Together, we can harness a limitless potential of technology and shape the future. Thank you.